Breaking inputs that we're tracking from Karnataka as far as the Gauri Lankesh case is concerned. The Karnataka government has filed a petition in the Supreme Court for the cancellation of bail granted to Mohan Nayak, who is an accused in the 2017 murder of journalist Gauri Lankesh. Now, the petition argues that Mohan Nayak is a part of the crime syndicate. Now, the High Court had granted bail to Nayak in December 2023, citing a delay in trial. Therefore, challenging the High Court order, the Karnataka government has filed a SLP in Supreme Court. Neha, my colleague, joins me for more. Neha, good morning. Clearly, legal development, a massive one being there as far as the Gauri Lankesh murder case is concerned. What does this essentially mean next now?
Well, yes, Nivedana, that's right. In fact, just months after we saw Gauri Lankesh's sister, Kavita Lankesh, filing, a special leave petition in the Supreme Court, I beg your pardon. Now we're seeing that, in fact, the Karnataka state government has also filed an SLP over here in Supreme Court, essentially asking for the bail that was granted to Mohan Nayak, one of the accused in the case, to be cancelled. Now, of course, while we're talking about this, it's important to mention that the Karnataka government in its SLP has also gone on to argue here that Mohan Nayak was an accused in the 2017 murder case of Gauri Lankesh, and that also he was a part of a crime syndicate that carried out this organized crime. So with that being said, of course, they've also further gone on to cite, an argument, of course, from the Supreme Court itself, which says that in a heinous offence, where there are possibilities of repeating the crime, that bail should not be granted to an accused. Now, remember, in December, the Karnataka High Court had granted bail to Mohan Nayak there, citing a delay in trial, saying that, he wasn't personally responsible for the delay, and it's incorrect to keep him, arrested for all that time. So we really need to wait and see how this pans out now in Supreme Court and what happens next and whether this accused is going to be arrested again.
Right, Neha. I appreciate you getting us inputs as far as this is concerned.